Hi everyone, it's Mandy. Welcome to Customers That Care. In today's video, we're going to be reviewing the LUMINEUX Teeth Whitening Kit Toothpaste. Now in the last video, we went over the mouthwash, and today we're doing the toothpaste. I used it for 7 days, and you're probably wondering, did it work? Well, here are my before and after photos. So did I see spectacular results? No, not at all. But I don't think it's all bad news, and here's why. I feel as though LUMINEUX gives you a little pop of whitening right after you brush your teeth. On a scale of 1 to 10, I would give it maybe a 2.5 to a 3. You're definitely going to see some surface whitening happening immediately after you brush. I definitely saw it with the toothpaste, and I don't see that kind of whitening happening when I'm just using a standard like Colgate or Sensodyne, just a regular non-whitening formula. So LUMINEUX does offer you that. So if you're looking for a little bit of surface whitening, I think it's great. But if you're looking for some deep whitening to really get into the teeth, you know, the kind of whitening that you see when you go to the dentist and pay a lot of money, that did not happen for me. Those were not my results, and you can see that from the photos. But I did see that little pop of whitening immediately after I brushed my teeth. In that regard, it is good. Now let's look a little bit more closely and compare it with other brands. If you buy LUMINEUX by itself on Amazon, it is going to be a quantity of 3.75 ounces. If you buy this one right here on Amazon, it's going to cost $9.98. Again, just for the toothpaste, okay? Now, a couple videos ago, I reviewed my favorite toiletries, the toiletries that I use a lot, and the Hello products were in that category. Here is the Hello Charcoal Whitening Toothpaste that I used and that I really, really liked. It, like LUMINEUX, is also cruelty-free and vegan, and in my opinion, it produces the same results as LUMINEUX does, but it costs less. If you were to buy this on Amazon for 4 ounces, so it's a little bit higher quantity, the cost is $4.82. So $4.82 compared to $9.98. I think that Hello offers a better value, much like I thought the same thing about the mouthwash. Now, this is just my independent review based upon my experience with the products. I'm not being sponsored or anything like that. I'm just getting started on YouTube. This is my experience so far. I hope you guys found this video to be helpful. If so, please leave me a thumbs up down below and subscribe to the channel. That way you'll be notified when I upload video number 3 in the LUMINEUX Teeth Whitening Kit series. I will be trying out the whitening strips this week. Can't wait to see what the results are going to be like, and I can't wait to see you guys next time. Thanks for being here, everyone. Take care. Bye.